Hey guys, Jeff here from JB Customs. So I'm doing a key for 2013 Honda Jazz. So I'm going to use the X-Tool Pad 2 this morning. I do tend to find that these work better on the Hondas than the Autel. So I've got a I've done the key. I'll put on the bottom of the list exactly what I used for this. So there we go. The original key in, ignition on, auto search, please turn the ignition on, blah blah blah. Yep, there we go. Honda Fit Jazz. Okay. Without smart key, please turn the ignition switch to on. Yep. 4th generation immobilizer. Okay. Key, add key, turn the ignition switch off. You have to pay attention to these. On with the original key, turn the ignition switch off, turn the ignition switch on with a new key, off, back on without changing the key, off, on. The immobilizer gone out, certainly looks like it. Yep. So yes, the ignition off, switch the ignition on with the original key. Registration is complete, turn the ignition off. Okay. Check that all keys can start the car. So this is the original key. New key. Lock. Double lock. There we go. Perfect. Nice and easy. Thing with these is just pay attention to what the computer's telling you, because you do have to switch keys, turn it off, turn it on within a certain amount of time. So just make sure that you're doing that, and you shouldn't have any problems with the Hondas. Okay, thanks guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and obviously give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks again. Bye bye.